In today's video, you can watch me create these beauties. These are called Nutty Crust biscuits, caramelized oaty biscuits with a toffee taste. They are absolutely superb. Grab your aprons, turn on your ovens, and let's get baking. So to begin this recipe, we're going to slowly melt the butter and the golden syrup. Next, we add the baking soda and combine. Next step, we're going to combine the flour, the oats, and the caster sugar in one bowl. Here we go. That's our flour. These are the oats. And lucky last, our caster sugar. And we combine all these ingredients together. Okay. For the next step, we're going to add the melted butter and golden syrup to these dry ingredients here and mix them together. It's best to mix it together while it's still warm. So here goes. I figured that it's probably as mixed as it could be, and it's now ready to be rolled into little balls and pressed onto the baking tray. Okay, so we're done mixing, and now I'm getting ready to prepare it for the oven. Here goes. I'm thinking, because I've used self-raising flour, that I might need to give more space because I think it's going to spread. I could be wrong, I don't know, but better safe than sorry, right? Next step. Just gonna flatten it a little bit with a fork. Now this tray is ready to go into the oven. I'm gonna bake it at 170 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes. Here we have the cookies out of the oven. They've been allowed to cool for a few minutes. I just wanted to show you how beautifully golden they are, and that you can see the oats, and I think the oats is what gives it its nuttiness, the nutty flavor in it, but the taste test will tell all. Now it's time for the taste test. Some delicious cookie crunching ASMR, right? That's so good. The outer crust is really crispy, as you can hear. but inside there's still some chewy bits, which is nice too. And like I suggested before, I think the oats in here is what gives it its nuttiness. Definitely adds to the texture, which is delicious. And you can definitely taste the golden syrup, which is quite divine. So if I have to say so myself, another success in the books. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Please remember I am trying to reach my goal of 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year, and your subscription will really help my channel out. Thank you so much for hanging out here with me on Making It with Dee. In today's video where I shared how I made these beautiful Nutty Crust biscuits. Let me know in the comment section below whether you've come across a Nutty Crust biscuit that has no nuts, no coconut, and no eggs. I think that's pretty rare to find. See you in my next video. Bye.